Okay, we've got a John Deere X530 here. I'm going to show you how to install and remove the integral power hitch. Power integral hitch, whatever they call it. After already installing the lift bar. So to install this initially, you have to take the body off and install this lift bar that attaches to the hydraulics. When you're not using it, it just sits here along the frame with a pin that holds it in place. So we gotta remove this pin. And I'm gonna be doing all this one-handed. Put the pin away in here so I don't lose it. And this is part of the lift bar. We've got another piece that's going to have to attach to it. I'll get off of there. See how many pieces I lose in the gravel. Alright, there's a couple holes in here. I attach on some posts. And this screw keeps this all together. That. Okay, there's a pin in the end I'm going to remove right now. The hitch has a big bolt on here. Take that off for now. The sides going to hook onto these posts here. Alright, let's see if I can hit this one-handed. There we go. Bolt goes down the middle. And this really doesn't have to be tightened that tight. Oops. Okay, I'm just going to do that finger tight for now. The last thing to do is just to connect the lift bar to the hitch, which means I need to raise the hitch up a little bit. That's it. Let's see if it works. That's all there is to it. When you're all done, take the pin out. Unscrew our bolt. pull off the hitch. I'm going to unscrew this extension to the lift bar. Grab our pin we saved earlier. There we go. Again, this is a lot easier with two hands. Stow that away. That's it. Thanks for watching.